Good morning, lovely children. Today we're going to be doing our phonics learning together. Now, to begin the lesson, we're going to revise the sounds that we already know. So make sure you're saying the sounds aloud for me. S, A, T, I, P, D, G, O, A, O, B, A, J, O, I, E. That's right. O, Z, W, Oh, our new sound today. So today our new sound is and oo. Let's try that again. And oo. And oo. Let's hear our new story. So the girl has a cuckoo clock. At 4 o'clock, she watches the clock to see what will happen. The cuckoo pops in and out and says, and the girl copies it. Now, we've got and Can you practice saying it? Now, you can do the actions while you say it too. We go, Now, we're going to practice reading some words with our new sounds in today. Let's read this word. Now, as we're reading it, we're going to try to robot talk it. Book. That's right. Well done. Let's look at this one. Look. Fantastic. Well done. Now, this one's your turn. Can you see if you can do it at home? Fantastic, well done. Took, fantastic, well done. Let's practice speed reading these words. We've got book, look, hook, and took. Fantastic, well done. Now these are all with a short Now these are oo, so the long oo sound looks like this one. Let's practice reading some of these words together. So we've got oon, moon, soon. Have a look at this word for me. Can you practice it? Shoot, shoot, tooth. Fantastic, well done. Let's see if we can practice writing that sound. And oo. And oo. Have a go, pause the video and have a go at writing that yourselves. Well done. Okay, that's fantastic work so far. Can you think of any words with either or oo? Have a go at writing some of those words down for me. Or you can tell your parents and carers. Now, are you ready for a challenge? I've got a sentence that I'd like to see you read. Now, this sentence that I've written has some tricky words and it also has some decodable words. Let's see if you can read it. That's right, well done. I can see that you've already spotted some of the tricky words. I can see the moon. Fantastic, let's read it together really quickly. I can see the moon. Fantastic, really good learning. learning today. I wonder if you can write a sentence with our new sounds in today with either or oo and a tricky word too. Well done. See you later.